Men and brethren, you are welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I encourage you to watch to the end because I'm taking an uptrend. This is a strategy that I've discovered, and this is exactly the way you need to be putting your trade. You need to observe the resistance. If it is firm, you should wait, let the market build a strong resistance before you take a trade, either upward or downward. But at this moment, I'm going with an up trading using 5 minutes time frame, and because I'm doing practical, I'm just using small amounts of money. So I encourage you to check on my past videos to see even the same strategy that I used, and I had success in those tradings. And as pertaining to this one, I have a strong confidence that the trading will be successful in 5 minutes time. It's gonna be higher than as it was by the time I entered the market, or by the time I made my buying. One thing about trading is to know the time you should make your trading, the time you should secure a trade. You shouldn't secure any trade because of pressure or unknowingly. There should be a clear evidence that what you are taking is going to bring a fruitful result. When you have that evidence, that hope, then you can go ahead and secure your trade. At times, it's not about how much you use in securing your trade, though it matters at some moments. The most important thing is, do you have success in that trading that you've secured? Do you have increase, or you are always having decrease? That reminds me of how the rich people are making their money. People like Dangote, he has a lot of money, but he's still looking for more money. Beijing people said Dangote still dey find money upon all the money where he gets. Of all the money that he had, he's still looking for more money. So what am I doing? Am I sleeping on top of money? What am I doing that I will not go out and find my own money? If people accept the way I'm making my own money, or they are criticizing it is their own business. If I'm able to make my own money and I do not steal, I do not cheat, but I study and develop a skill and to use that skill and make money. If people doesn't like the strategy, it's left for their own. Let them discover their own strategy and use it to make their own money. Everybody must not be a doctor. Everybody must not be a farmer. Everybody must not be a driver. God gave people different talents that they should use and have what they will use and support themselves and their family temporarily. So, I encourage you to learn a skill, have something doing, then keep on doing that thing again and again. Master what you are doing, and then you may use that thing you are doing and get income for yourself. Pretending to be rich when you are extremely poor is a sin. People that select a particular type of work they want to do and they do not have someone to support them, they cannot support themselves, or because someone is prescribing the work for them, then they rely only on that work. Those people sometimes they do fail. But I say this unto you, that even though you have something doing right now, and maybe at times you lack extra change in your pocket, extra cash, maybe your money is coming at the end of the week or at the end of the month. If you can learn the strategy that is associated with forex stocks, I tell you that it will help you to gain extra income in addition to whatever you think you are comfortable in doing. As I knew what I was doing, I entered the trade at the very right time. Then I also set a right time of closing. You can bear witness with me that my trading was successful. So you need to know what you are doing and do it very well, so that even though people will abandon you because of what you are doing, you'll be able to stand and continue doing what you are doing if that thing is good. So I will encourage you to share the video with your friends and let me know where you are lacking in forex trading. What do you want to know about forex? Comment below and let me know those points. Maybe it's something that I know. And I promise you that if I know it, I will help you to also understand it. There is no joy in selfishness, but there is joy in sharing. Don't die in silence. Share your problems with others. Probably among the 50 people you share your problems with, one will have answer to your problem. And if the person is being moved with a pure love, the person can help you to resolve your concern or problem. Remember, subscribing to a channel like this will help you to get more video anytime I upload a new video. Thank you and have a nice day.